Hello everyone, welcome back to Whole Lotta Drumming YouTube channel. Today we're going to have lots of fun. We are going to create a fill using the puzzle approach. Stick around. Now before we get started, I just want to welcome all of those who are here for the very first time. Thank you for popping by. If you'd like to receive some content that's going to develop your drumming, press subscribe, click the notification bell, and you'll always be notified when I release my next video. The puzzle approach to creating a drum fill. Let me just give you a very brief explanation. So in one bar, we have 4 pulses. And what we're going to do today is we're going to create 2 sections in that bar. The first section is going to occupy the first 3 pulses of the bar, and the second section will only occupy the last pulse of the bar. Now, those sections is what I call puzzles. In today's lesson, in puzzle number 1, we're going to use the 3-note pattern right, left, left, played as 16th notes. That's what we're going to do for our first puzzle. So what would that sound like? Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a. And this is what it sounds like when you play it. And I'm also going to refer to the second puzzle as the closer. The first one looks like this and is played like this. The second one looks like this and is played like this. The third one looks like this and is played like this. The fourth one like this and is played like this. The fifth one like this and is played like this. The sixth one like this, played like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to combine those. Our first combination will be puzzle number 1 combined with our first closer, and you get this. Our second combination, puzzle 1, combined with closer 2, and you get this. Our third combo, puzzle 1, combined with closer 3, and you get this. Fourth combo, puzzle 1, closer 4. Our fifth combo, puzzle 1, closer 5. Our sixth combo, puzzle 1, closer 6. There you have it. What I'd like you to do is to try these combos that I've shown you today. And this is the fun part. Create your own puzzles. For example, today the main puzzle, the 3-pulse puzzle, consisted of right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. And that was that. And I mixed it with closers. What I'd like you to do is to come up with your own puzzle. And it could be something like this. Closer. Dabba dabba digga 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 closer. Ba dibba dibba ba dibba dibba closer. Braka chikun closer. Ja ba dibba ba ba closer. Get the idea? Great. So try some for yourself. Practice them 1 bar time, 1 bar fill, and you'll have quite a bit of fun doing so, I assure you. Now, in closing, I would like to say just a few things. First off, my last video was about how to create your own practice routine, how to customize it and how to organize it. And in there was a section called Labor of Love. That's where you learn all new material. If you enjoyed this video and you actually want to work on this stuff, what I would suggest you do is save this video on your own YouTube channel on a playlist called Stuff I Want to Learn, or something like that. And then when you practice and you're in your Labor of Love section, you can work on this stuff. As usual, I have prepared for you lesson notes that you can download on the description below for free, and it has all the content that we discussed today. Once again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe, click the notification bell, and you'll always be notified when my next video is released. Well, this is all the time we have for today. Stay well, stay safe, practice, and most of all, have fun. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.